सही है कि पुलिस वाले थोड़ा मतलब मुझे घसीट के ले गए, बट कान में कह रहे थे कि इस सरकार को हटाइए। एक्चुअली मैं राजस्थान का हूं, इनको हटाइए। हम सिर्फ वर्दी पहने हैं। दूसरा कह रहा है मैं हरियाणा का हूं, इनको हटाइए। तो दैट सेंटिमेंट इज देयर एंड सच्चाई एवरीबॉडी नोस। ओके, उन बेचारों को मतलब ऑर्डर एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ता है तो वो करने हैं। बट इवन पुलिस इज नॉट हैप्पी अबाउट व्हाट इज हैपेंड। Sensible police people feel that this is a crime that has been done to the future of our country. This is a crime that is being done to the people we love. They can see their children in this. तो पहली बात वो है। दूसरी बात देखिए, यहां तो बड़ा क्लियर है, this is the demand of the students, we fully support it. And whatever Andolan is taking place on this front, in Delhi, in any state, anywhere, that has to do with these issues, has to do with student issues, Congress party, 100%, me 100%, and the opposition as a whole, 100% is supporting this. We are going to continue supporting it. The deeper problem is the government. There is a fundamental issue on jobs that is causing tremendous pain, and I've already said that we are heading into a storm. This is just signs that the storm is coming. But when the Iran war impact is felt, then you will see that there will be serious problems coming as a result of the pain that is being caused to farmers, to students, to other people. Anyway, I'd like to thank all of you.
अरुण कुमार सिंह,
ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन।
एक मिनट सवाल पूछने दीजिए। 1 मिनट
मैं पूछूं? राहुल जी, एक छोटा सा सवाल है। पिछले 10-12 सालों में
ये छोटा सवाल और बड़ा सवाल में क्या फर्क होता है?
वो छोटा सा हो जाएगा ना।
अच्छा,
आपको दोहराना नहीं पड़ेगा। जितनी तेजी से आप वहां पहुंचे, पीछे पीछे मिनिस्टर भी पहुंच गए, बहुत तेजी से पहुंचे। आपको क्या लग रहा है, पहले तो कभी ऐसा हुआ नहीं था? व्हाट कंपेल्ड हिम टू रीच आउट टू यू फर्स्ट? एंड सेकेंड थिंग, ये जो तीनों डिमांड्स हैं, इज इट टोटली नॉन नेगोशिएबल? क्या इससे कम कुछ पर आप तैयार नहीं है और संसद नहीं चलेगी?
नहीं, see, this is a decision for the meeting tomorrow morning. There's a meeting of opposition people. It is disrespectful for me to decide for them. What they will decide, we will agree with. But this is non-negotiable for sure. These 3 points, this is not our demand. This is the students' demand, which we are fully backing. This is not negotiable under any circumstances. Whether House will run tomorrow, that is up to the entire opposition, which will be a discussion.
And the first question, what compels government to reach out to you so immediately?
Because in every government, there comes a time when psychologically they collapse. The leadership collapses. So that has happened. The government is actually in panic. This reaction that they've done with the students, this is a panic reaction. Right? What they were doing yesterday with us is a panic reaction. That's a different issue. We have to resolve this issue. Thank you very much.